I'm Sarah Lincoln and I run AvatarJo. We provide actors via video call for people to practice communications training. And we're at Falmouth University today working with the Launchpad team to help them develop their pitch to business investors.
So you know the timings, Mike. You've got one minute for your pitch, 2 minutes for questions, 1 minute for a bit of feedback, and then your colleague.
Okay, lovely.
And each time we find that those that really embrace the techniques we look at have also gone ahead to gain investment.
We've discovered a way to bring augmented reality to a number of markets at no cost. We will demonstrate that our platform can provide exponential and consistent growth.
May I just give you a quick bit of feedback, Mike, on your pitch? I really liked your very first sentence, the little top line explanation of what it was. Fantastic. One sentence telling me what it was. I felt a tiny bit patronised when you sort of went, how can I put this into simple terms? And because don't forget, of course, I am I do invest in the tech industry.
I think the really good thing was it felt more real because it was virtual. That person wasn't in the room. You couldn't see all the micro movements that were going on, so you had no way of interpreting what they were thinking. So you were actually concentrating on exactly what you were doing and trying to keep it as honed and as tight as you possibly could.
Mm-hmm. Was it successful for you guys?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm really looking forward to seeing the videos. I think it's like one aspect is getting feedback from somebody else, but when you can actually see yourself and you can critically evaluate your own performance, I think that's when the real work will really kick in.
And today's workshop included lots of different exercises to build trust and understanding of how to develop trust and deliver the right information. Within 24 hours, they'll get recordings of the video sessions with the actors, and from there, they'll be able to build and develop their pitch to gain the investment for the future.